if you have oily hair and you want to style your hair to go out somewhere and you don't have time to wash your hair and you do not have the dry shampoo at home and you're stuck with oily hair to do your styling with, here's the quick fix that you can use. You can use baby powder, not too much. What I like to do is if my hair is oily, I use like this much powder, rub on my hands, and I kind of run my fingers through the roots. Here you go. No more oily roots. So here is the quick tip how to fix your oily hair if you have to style your hair and you do not have time to wash and you don't have dry shampoo at home. Hope you liked it. Thank you.